Hello everyone! Did you know that cockatiels are amazing and quite intelligent birds? And yes, they can also learn to talk. If you have a cockatiel at home and would like to teach it to say a few words, then this video is for you. But before we give you the tips, I would like to ask you to watch until the end, because the last tips are very important and can make all the difference in the process of teaching your cockatiel. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video so you won't miss any news we post here. Birds have a very interesting and varied vocal ability. Some species, like cockatiels, are capable of imitating sounds and even speaking a few words. This behavior is due to the fact that birds have a highly sophisticated vocal production system that involves a series of anatomical and physiological structures. Firstly, it is important to highlight that birds have a specialized anatomical structure for sound production, the syrinx. The syrinx is a structure located at the base of the trachea, which divides into two parts, the bronchi. Each bronchus contains a vibrating membrane called the tympanic membrane. When air passes through the syrinx and reaches these membranes, they start to vibrate, producing sound. In addition, birds have a great capacity for muscular control over the syrinx and adjacent structures, which allows them to modulate and adjust the frequency and intensity of the sound produced. This control is achieved through the use of specific muscles that are capable of altering the position and tension of the tympanic membranes, as well as the shape and position of the syrinx. In the case of cockatiels and other birds capable of imitating sounds, such as parrots, this capacity for muscular control is even more refined. These birds have a highly developed brain, especially in the area responsible for motor control, which allows them to imitate sounds with precision. Thus, we can conclude that cockatiels and other birds are capable of speaking and imitating sounds thanks to a combination of factors, including a specialized anatomical structure for sound production, a great capacity for muscular control, and a highly developed brain. With these resources, birds can produce a wide variety of sounds and, in some cases, even speak a few words. The time it takes for a cockatiel to start talking can vary widely. Some individuals may start talking as early as a few months old, while others may take 1 or 2 years to start imitating sounds. It's important to understand that speech is not a natural skill for cockatiels. They are not born knowing how to talk, and in the wild, their vocalization is more limited and mainly used for communication among members of a flock or to mark territory. Therefore, teaching a cockatiel to talk can take time and patience. The training process should begin when the bird is still young and in a more active development stage. In addition, each individual is unique and may have a different learning pace. With time and proper training, the cockatiel can start imitating sounds and even saying some words. It's important to remember, however, that not all birds learn to talk, and each individual has its own learning pace. Therefore, patience is needed, and regular and positive training should be continued to encourage the bird. Before we proceed, take care of your pet the way they deserve to be cared for. Our line of animal products includes everything you need to keep your best friend healthy and happy. Don't waste any more time and take advantage of our incredible offers right now. Links in the description. Let's go through some tips for teaching your cockatiel to talk. 1. Start with simple and short words. To teach your cockatiel to talk, it's important to start with simple and short words. This is because the bird needs to learn to associate a specific sound with a particular object or action. Therefore, start with words like hello, goodbye, or the bird's name. Repeat these words frequently and clearly to the cockatiel. 2. Use positive reinforcements. Cockatiels respond well to positive reinforcements, such as praise and treats. When the bird makes a sound similar to the word you're trying to teach, praise it and reward it with a pet or a small treat. This positive reinforcement will help the cockatiel associate the word with a pleasant reward. 3. Train regularly. To teach your cockatiel to talk, it's important to train regularly. Set aside a few minutes each day to talk to the bird and repeat the words you're trying to teach. Try to maintain a consistent routine, as this will help the cockatiel get used to the training and understand what is expected of it. 4. Be patient. Teaching a cockatiel to talk can take time. Each bird has its own learning pace and it may take weeks or even months to start talking. Therefore, it's important to be patient and continue encouraging the cockatiel with regular and positive training. 5. Explore other learning sources. In addition to daily training, it's possible to explore other learning sources to help your cockatiel talk. Playing music with repetitive words or TV shows that have dialogues can help the cockatiel associate words with specific sounds. It's also possible to buy toys that make sounds or record your own voice for the cockatiel to listen to. By following these tips, it's possible to teach your cockatiel to talk and make the process more efficient and enjoyable. Remember that each bird is unique and may have a different learning pace. Be patient, positive, and continue encouraging the cockatiel with regular training and positive reinforcements. If you are an animal lover or just want to learn more about how to take care of your pets, be sure to subscribe to our channel and like our videos. We are excited to share our passion for animals with you and hope to help improve the lives of your pets. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.